Number 19, question in past bar exam 2024. So, PO3 Wyatt personally witnessed how Lucas mauled and threatened to kill his neighbor. PO3 Wyatt introduced himself as police officer, but Lucas ran away. PO3 Wyatt chased Lucas and grabbed his right arm. Lucas punched PO3 Wyatt on the chest to free himself. Lucas then entered his house and slammed the gate shut which caught PO3 Wyatt's left hand, resulting in slight abrasions. Lucas then surrendered to the authorities. The prosecution charged Lucas with direct assault because he intentionally used force and injured PO3 Wyatt while performing his duties as a police officer. Lucas countered that he was merely evading arrest without intention to defy the authority of PO3 Wyatt. What crime did Lucas commit, if any? Explain. Answer. Lucas committed resistance to an agent of a person in authority. In Richard Balsamo A. Dominguez versus People of the Philippines. GR number 260 109, April 12, 2023. It states, here, the facts show that PO3 Adalims chased Richard and grabbed his right arm. Richard punched PO3 Adalim in the chest in order to free himself and evade the arrest. The act is done not to assault PO3 Adalim or to defy his authority. Richard blindly slammed the gate while running away without knowing that it hit PO3 Adalim's arm and fingers. More telling in that PO3 Adalim sustained slight abrasions and swollen fingers. Also, PO3 Adalim was able to run after Richard punched him in the chest and withstand the pain from his injured fingers. Taken together, the circumstances surrounding the act, the motive prompting it, and the real importance of the transgression reveal that Richard's use of force against PO3 Adalim is not dangerous, grave, or severe. Again, the force involved in direct assault must be serious or more than a sudden blow, slapping or punching. Corollary, although the charge is direct assault, the prosecution was able to prove resistance or disobedience. These felonies have similar elements, varying only as to the degree of seriousness of the offender's resistance. Direct assault necessarily includes resistance or disobedience. Article 151, as amended by RA 10951, Section 16. Section 16 RA 10951, Article 151 of the Revised Penal Code, resistance and disobedience to a person in authority or the agents of such person. The penalty of Aristo Mayor and a fine not exceeding 100,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who not being included in the provisions of the preceding article shall resist or seriously disobey any person in authority or the agents of such person while engaged in the performance of official duties. When the disobedience to an agent of a person in authority is not of a serious nature, the penalty of aristo minor or a fine ranging from 2,000 pesos to 20,000 pesos shall be imposed upon the offender. So that's it. That's our question. That's our answer for question number 19. It's very simple, but it separates the bone from the meat. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Good day and God bless.